Hey, Jerry Norton here, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get listing leads sent to you every week. Now, this fully managed system includes your own dedicated caller and done-for-you services, including text notifications when new leads come in, appointment setting on your calendar, automated follow-ups to those leads, and a fully loaded CRM to manage the leads. In other words, you're getting your own lead acquisition team without the headache and stress of managing employees. My company does all of the work for you. Now, if you haven't heard of me, I'm one of the nation's leading experts on flipping houses. I've been an investor for over 20 years, and I've completed over 1,000 transactions all over the country, including wholesale deals, new construction, and even commercial. Not only that, I'm a licensed agent, and I have been for 20 years. Now, I know what it's like to be an agent, and I also know how agents and investors can make money working together. More about that later. And if you haven't heard of my company, Propwire, it's the fastest growing real estate software in the country with over 157 million properties, including potential listing leads like expired listings, pre-foreclosures, absentee owners, and custom AI generated lists that combine ready to sell indicators and other data points. Propwire has hundreds of thousands of users, including real estate agents, and connections with the best real estate services in the country. And with L3, we're leveraging those relationships and our data to generate high quality listing leads for you so you can focus on what you do best, closing transactions. Now I'll explain how this works in a minute, but first, here's the truth about being an agent that no one tells you. It's hard work. You have to follow up with leads, go to showings, send contracts, micromanage details, deal with other agents, and be a personal therapist to everyone involved in the transaction. Most agents are busy juggling all of this and simply don't have the time to set up a proper lead generation system. So they pay for services like social media, PPC advertising, IDX websites, and SEO. And when leads do come in, they often don't convert as well as they should because they lack a good follow-up system. In other words, they are stuck. But what if there was a way to get unstuck and skip all of that hard work and get listing leads handed to you? Leads that have already been called by a human being, not an AI bot. Leads in your market that want to list their houses. Leads that are exclusive to you and not shared with dozens of other agents. Leads that are waiting for your call to list their property. And what if you could get real-time notifications when leads come in and have appointments automatically booked on your calendar so you never miss an opportunity again? Well, just like Propwire has made similar leads available to wholesalers, we are now making listing leads available to agents. It's called local listing leads, or L3 for short. Now you could think of L3 as a white glove service for agents who want a consistent flow of listing leads. Consistent is the key word here. On average, you get 5 to 10 listing leads per week. That works out to 20 to 40 listing leads per month. Now normally to get a predictable flow of leads like that, it would require hiring and training callers, managing staff, and hiring an assistant to do follow-up, all of which costs money, time, and energy. But with L3, all of that is done for you. First, you get a dedicated caller who is trained and managed by our team. Your caller is dedicated to you and is on the phone every single weekday, calling prospects to find listing leads for you. When you do get a lead, you get a text notification with the lead's name, contact information, property address, and any relevant notes. And if you choose to connect your calendar, your rep will book appointments on your calendar during those available times. So you can talk to those leads right away. You'll also get email notifications for leads, so you have them in your inbox. But that's not all. Each lead will also be in your own Propwire Leads account. Propwire Leads is a CRM or customer relationship management software with a dashboard of all your leads, plus tools for organizing those leads, including tags, notes, and workflows. Now to show you how powerful this is, here is a quick demo of Propwire Leads. First, here's a preview of what your lead dashboard looks like. Just go to Contacts and you can see all of your listing leads in one place. From here, you can click on any lead and see a summary of your caller's notes about that lead, including things like when they're ready to sell and how much they want to list it for. These notes give you essential information about each seller, so you can go into every call knowing about them, their motivation, and their situation. I also recommend pulling up the property on Propwire like this, so that you can see things like equity, tax information, owner details, including whether or not they have multiple properties. You can see comps, mortgage history, and past transactions. Call notes and property data is a 1-2 punch that puts you in a class of your own. But that's not all. With your Propwire Leads CRM, you can apply tags to leads to organize them. For example, mark leads as hot, warm, or cold to prioritize them, or add them to workflows, which are follow-up sequences that we have pre-built for you inside your account. Just apply a tag or add a contact to a workflow to trigger a nurture sequence for less interested leads, or a rescheduling sequence for leads who miss appointments. Like they say, the fortune is in the follow-up, and it's true. Studies show that agents with a good follow-up system are 2 to 3 times more likely to convert leads into listings than agents without any follow-up. In other words, you can double or triple your commission with a good follow-up system, like the one we include in L3 for free. And if you want us to schedule appointments for you, your dedicated caller can schedule appointments right in Propwire Leads with your own personal calendar. We recommend you update this calendar with your available times and sync it to your main calendar, whether that's a Gmail or another calendar. This is easy to do and something our support team can help you with. Now that's really just the tip of the iceberg with Propwire Leads. There are advanced features like opportunities that help you run your entire business inside the system. And we include everything in Propwire Leads free of charge as one of 3 free bonuses as a member of L3. When you join L3 today, you'll get 5 to 10 listing leads per week, so you always have a pipeline of leads, text notifications when leads come in, so you never miss an opportunity, your appointment settings, so you don't have to book appointments yourself, and done for you follow-up so you can convert more leads into listings, and a human caller dedicated to you, like having your own employee without the headache of managing them. Plus 3 special bonuses. Bonus number 1 is your Propwire Leads CRM with pre-built follow-up sequences to nurture leads, an appointment calendar, and a central dashboard to organize all of your leads with notes, tags, and workflows, and much more. A custom CRM like this would normally cost at least $1,000 per month, but it's included for free when you join L3 today. Bonus number 2 is my listing lead scripts. Now these proven phone scripts tell you exactly what to say to convert these leads into listings, including answers to common objections, clarifying questions, and more. Bonus number 3 is the ultimate off-market kit. Now this kit includes scripts for talking to off-market sellers to convert them into listings, a how-to guide for working with investors and getting paid a 6% commission, and training on how to wholesale houses. Let's face it, the game is getting tough for agents, and you need everything in your arsenal to compete. With my 20 plus years of experience as an investor and an agent, I know everything there is to know about agents and investors and how they work together to create a win-win situation. I even pioneered the now famous double dip technique, where agents can get paid both the buyer and seller commission when working with investors. And if you choose to wholesale houses yourself, you can earn a $10,000 to $20,000 assignment fee per deal, and there's no one better in the country to learn from than me. Now, when you add up the value of everything here, it's at least $4,000. Many companies would charge at least $2,000 per month for a dedicated caller, plus $1,000 for a custom CRM, and another $1,000 for these bonuses. But when you join L3 today, it's just $9.99, an incredible deal. And honestly, we're taking a risk at that price. For every L3 client we take on, we have to allocate time, money, and resources to train callers and keep them on the phones. The numbers only make sense for us if you stay in the program for 12 months. But we know you need to see results before making that type of commitment. So your investment of $9.99 is a one-time setup fee that gets you 1 month of listing leads and locks in future discounts. You're under no obligation to continue past your first month. If you want to cancel, just let our support team know and you won't be charged again. But if you do cancel, you'll lose the member discount and you'll have to pay the full retail price of $2,000 per caller if you want leads again in the future. That's right, retail is twice the cost of the member rate, so it benefits you to keep your membership active. Plus, I'm sure you'll be happy with the leads, that canceling will be the last thing on your mind. Remember, you get 5 to 10 listing leads per week, so you always have a pipeline of leads. Text notifications when leads come in, so you never miss an opportunity. Done for you appointment settings, so you don't have to book appointments yourself. Done for you follow-ups so that you can convert more leads into listings, and a caller dedicated to you, like having your own employee without the headache of managing them. Plus 3 special bonuses. Bonus number 1 is your Propwire Leads CRM with pre-built follow-up sequences to nurture leads, an appointment calendar, and a central dashboard to organize all of your leads with notes, tags, and workflows, and much more. Bonus number 2 is my listing lead scripts. These proven phone scripts tell you exactly what to say to convert leads into listings. Bonus number 3 is the ultimate off-market kit. This kit includes scripts for talking to off-market sellers, a how-to guide for working with investors, and getting paid 6% commissions, and training on how to wholesale houses. When you join L3 today, you get 3 bonuses for free and 20 to 40 listing leads per month. Up to 40 interested listing leads waiting for your call sent to you every week like clockwork. 20 to 40 leads is more than enough to get 1 to 2 listings per month with an average gross commission of $10,000 to $15,000 per listing. Even at the low end, 1 transaction would pay for your L3 investment 10 times over. Honestly, you won't find a better suite of services at a better price anywhere on the internet. There's just one catch. We can only accept a limited number of clients into L3 at any time. We have a limit on the number of clients we accept in each market and a limit on the total number of clients in the program. This is the only way we can provide a white glove service and ensure exclusive leads in your market. So if you're watching this, then spots are still available, but they're filling up fast. Join today to secure your spot and lock in your discount. So that's it. Click the Add to Cart button now, and I look forward to hearing about your success.